Hello guys, we are going to see some abbreviations used in networking chapter that comes of 2 marks. Two abbreviations usually come of 2 marks in board examinations. So let's begin. ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. NSFNet, National Science Foundation Network. NIU, Network Interface Unit. NIC, Network Interface Card. BPS, bits bits per second. Capital B, PS, bytes per second. KBPS, kilobytes per second. KBPS, kilobytes per second. HZ, hertz. Capital KHZ, kilohertz. MHZ, megahertz. UTP, unshielded twisted pair cable. STP, shield twisted pair cable. LAN, local area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. WAN, wide area network. PAN, personal area network. P2P, point-to-point network. Modem, modulator, demodulator. Modulator, demodulator. RJ45, registered jack 45. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. FTP, file transfer protocol. TCP, transition control protocol, internet protocol. SLIP, serial line internet protocol. PPP, point to point protocol. SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. POP3, post office protocol 3. NNTP, network news transfer protocol. GSM, global system for mobile communication. CDMA, code division multiple access. Code division multiple access. TDMA, time division multiple access. Time division multiple access. Wireless, WLL, wireless in local loop. TDMA, time division multiple access. WLL, wireless in local loop. GPRS, general packet of radio service. 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, first, second, third, fourth generation. LTE, long term evolution. VoLTE, voice over long term evolution. SMS, short message service. MMS, multimedia message service. IRS, internet relay chat. SIP, session initiation protocol. VoIP, voice over internet protocol. Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. WiMAX, wireless internet operability for microwave access. ISP, internet service provider. www, World Wide Web. URL, uniform resource locator. DNS, Domain Name System. HTML, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. XML, Extensible Markup Language. The DHTML, Dynamic HTML. PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. ASP, Active Service Pages. Java, GSP, Java Server Pages. UPI, Unified Payment Interface. BHMI, Bharat Interface for money. Thank you, that's over. Okay, stay connected.